Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Reaching Riches here. So today is Sunday, uh, June 2nd, and I'm going to be covering the trades of RoundHill's QDTE and XDTE for their trade week of the 21st through the 27th. And the 27th was a holiday, so we lost the trading day. So just expect a lower dividend this week just because we only had 4 days. We'll see how that plays out. Definitely, I know it's not what y'all are expecting, but that was a holiday. We don't really have any control over that. All right, so let's get into it. So let's look at their long calls here. Let me collapse this one. So we are going to be looking at these ones here. Not much change. Outstanding shares did go up. On the 21st, it went up to 470 or 470,000. The biggest change here was they added 2 more contracts of NDX. And then they kept those 13 contracts throughout the rest of the week. We do have a jump in outstanding shares to 540,000 here. These two are the same because nothing changed from the 24-27 because this was a holiday. Let's put that there. So no change in here. These are exactly the same. Alright, so the biggest thing was 2 contracts added and a jump to all the way to 540,000. For XDTE, let's collapse this one. So here it is. So this is a holiday. Alright, so biggest change here is their contracts. So 13 contracts starting off the week. And then ending the week with 19 contracts. So that's a pretty big jump. Added 7 contracts there. And the outstanding shares went up. So outstanding shares go up, they get more money, which means they can invest more. That's how they get their 19 contracts. So it jumped up to 195,000. All right. So let's go into here. Let's go over the trades. So on the 21st, let's go ahead and reveal this one. All right, so 11 contracts, NDX, collecting $11,121, and looks like that was a loss. So we had a strike of 18,680, and it closed at 18,713. Wow. Okay, so that it's not starting the week off that great. So we have a loss of $26,000. Not good. Okay. All right, so let's look at the 22nd, which was that a Wednesday? I believe that's a Wednesday. 22nd. Yes, sorry. All right, so this is the Wednesday. All right, so 11 contracts again. 596 in premium collected, and looks like that's a win. So we had a strike of 18,800, and looked like NASDAQ dropped pretty big. So it dropped to below our strike of 18,705. So we got that full win of 13,596. All right, so this is Thursday. 13 contracts now collected. 12,766, and looks like it's another win. So strike of 18,990, closed below our strike all the way down at 18,623. All right, so that's another win right there. Full profit day, and this is Friday. Yeah, Friday. All right, so 13 contracts again, collecting 16,224, and it's a loss. Dang. All right, we're 50-50 this week. All right, so we had a strike of 18,770, and it closed above our strike at 18,808. So $33,000 loss. Not good. Whoo, that's rough. Oh man. Okay. All right, so let's just update this here. And let's update this one. Yeah, let's update this one here. So let's look at what we are looking to get paid out. So I expect it to be low, just because we're also missing a day because it's a holiday. So outstanding shares is 540,000, and let's see. Oh wow, okay. 10 cents per share is what we're looking at for QDTE. So a lot lower. I mean, just look at the premiums. So I mean, our biggest week was that first week, $105,000, and then we collected 67, almost 68,000. Then last week we collected almost 88,000, and this week we are down. So 53,707 is what we collected. So based on outstanding shares and premium collected, we're only getting 10 cents. Hey, that's not looking good. All right, so let's go to XDTE. All right, so here's XDTE. Let's start revealing some of these numbers. All right, so 13 contracts, collected 1885. That's probably a low volatility day that day. That's like nothing. All right, so our strike was 53.20, and it closed above our strike at 53.21. It was below our break even, so we still profited $52. So we're still winning there. All right, so let's look at Wednesday. All right, so 13 contracts. Premium collected is almost $3,000, and it's a win. So we had a strike of 53.30, and it closed below our strike at 53.07. So full profit day there. This is Thursday. So 19 contracts. So we collected $4,000 in premium, and so win. We had a strike of 53.55, and it closed below our strike at 52.67. So full profit day there again. All right, so if this is anything like NASDAQ, we might lose this one, but we'll see. All right, 19 contracts, collected 51.49 in premium, and that's a win. 3 wins. All right, I like that. All right, so 53.05 was our strike, and it closed, barely. We got it by like a few cents, but a win is a win. So to close below our strike at 53.04, and it's a full profit day. All right, so looking good there. Let's update this. Let's see. So 195 is outstanding shares. All right, and here we go. It's not going to be good. It's probably going to be like a 5-cent dividend, but we'll see. 7 cents is what we are looking at. So let me just copy this over here. Yeah, not looking good. Well, a little depressing that we're getting another low week. 3 weeks in a row it's been low. Oh man. All right, so let's go to analysis tab. All right, so yeah, 10 cents, right? Yeah. All right, so 10 cents here for QDTE, and XDTE is 7 cents. So total we are still in the profit on XDTE for $43,000 in a profit. And then our average dividend, make sure, yep. We're still waiting on average dividend is not going to be accurate until the actual number comes out. But I mean, if we just take these, my estimates, based on the estimates, it's dropped down like a cent if you round up to 19. So not too good there that it's dropping. Let's look at here, QDTE. This this week kind of wiped us out, so we are in the negative. We were positive all the way up until then, let's look. We were up 58, but now we took more losses, so we're down almost $100,000 on this one. This is just profit loss based just on sold calls, so that doesn't include all of the long call stuff. So our average dividend based off of declared dividends is 27 cents. If we want to estimate on the average now, oh, that's why. Alright, so let's do that again. 26 cents, so it dropped us 1 penny. Alright, so there is some light at the end of the tunnel. So when I was looking at their website, I did see something pretty interesting. So let's go to the website. Let's go and scroll down to distributions. Alright, so if we looked at last week's, right? It was from the 29th to the 30th or 31st. So they declare on the 29th. Where was it? Whoops, April. Sorry. All right. So they declared on the May 29th. Wait. Oh yeah. So they moved it from Wednesday to Wednesday, which was a little weird. So that means next week's dividend is going from where do I have it here? The 28th until the 5th, I think. So declaring on the 5th. So the 28th to the 5th, that's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's like a whole week. Well, 6 days instead of 5. So we're getting one extra trade day in there. So 28, because they're declaring on the 5th, but the 4th is the last day they're going to trade. And they always declare a little early, so we're actually going to find out what the dividend is on the 4th. So 28th to the 4th, that's 6 trading days. So we are going to expect this week here to be a pretty good week, just because we have one extra trading day. So hopefully, I mean, what's our average? We're averaging 32. I mean, that's not accurate, but we're averaging 32,000. So that's pretty good. So we can expect a higher dividend this week. So if you're looking forward to a higher dividend this week, then or next week, buy in now, because this one's definitely going to be pretty big. I mean, just look at, I mean, we have 4 days traded. How much have we collected so far? 129,000. Dude, that's going to be huge. And that's also because they had a large inflow come in. Went from like what? Like 420 all the way to 540. So like $120,000 or 120,000 outstanding shares created. So that's huge. So that's why we are look at the premiums, just the averages. Look at this. So we went from like under 20,000 average collected to like a ton, like 4 days, 29,000 collected already, and they had already passed our best week here. So I'm expecting next week to be pretty good. XDTE, we collected 38,000 in 4 days so far. That's probably going to be a 30-cent dividend. I mean, it's too early to make an estimate, but I mean, just look at how much they collected already. It's already surpassed the big dividend here. So don't be too concerned about this week's lower dividend of 10 cents to 7 cents, because next week I think it's going to be pretty juicy. So if you're looking forward to that, you just gotta eat some of the low dividends, and then when the high dividends come, then rejoice when that happens. But yeah, so I mean, if you look at the distribution calendar, we're looking at 6 trading days for like a while, and then I think it goes back to 5. I'm not exactly sure why they did that, but I mean, look at 5. So it ended on 29th. Here at 5, and then 12, 18. Oh, right here is when it goes back to Tuesday. So we're gonna have like 3 weeks or so of wait, it goes so 3 and then goes to the 18th and then back to the Wednesday. Whoa, okay. That's okay. I thought it went back permanently. Let me just take a look again. So 26 here. Yep, and then 7-2 back to Tuesday. 7-2, then 10. 17, 24, 31. So it looks like they're trying to stay at Wednesday, so 6 trading days. Because I did see that yield max is going T-1 instead of T plus 1 instead of T plus 2, which is like the settlement. So if yield max is doing a T plus 1, then looks like RoundHill is trying to do a T plus 1 also. Which is good, which means we get 1 extra trading day in there. Which means more premiums that they can collect on a weekly basis. So we should be seeing larger dividends come in besides those few weeks that went Tuesday, or yeah, which declared on a Tuesday. So I'm expecting larger dividends in the next few weeks. All right, so that's all I had for you guys. If you guys liked the video, please hit the like. If you want to see more content just like this, then please hit that subscribe button. And as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun and entertainment. All right, I'm out. Y'all have a good one.